Okay, we've got the new Chemical Guys lightning fast stain extractor. We're gonna try it on my golf shoes that I can just never, I'm just not satisfied with how white they are. So let's see if we can get rid of some of this. I've tried the regular cleaning, it just doesn't work. So we'll give it a try here. All right, so this is after the first treatment. So I'll let you decide. It did whiten it up some, better than the regular Chemical Guys cleaner that I was using on these guys. We'll see how some of these interior stains do. But yeah, that tough Georgia clay getting out on here was never coming out, but this is a little bit better, I gotta say. Here to here, let you take a look at the sides. See it brighter, so they did actually renew them somewhat. So we'll do this other one, see how they both look. Here we go, all done. Definitely brighter. Still didn't get that pesky stain out right there though. I don't know what that is, but definitely brighter, better looking. And Chemical Guys lightning fast stain remover. Check it out. Especially on your car stains, but for these all-weather shoes, it did a pretty good job. Thanks for checking out Awkward Dad. Remember, wear your gloves and hit that subscribe button.